Hi guys, how are you all today? This is Dahana again with Planning with Intentions. Welcome if you are a returning viewer. Thank you so much for being with me. If you are a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and click the bell to be reminded of when I post a video. Today, first of all, excuse my table. My daughter started doing a project on my desk and she did a few little chips, so I do apologize. But with that being said, I have kind of a fun video and a very quick video. I just wanted to share with you all what planners I am using for the month of March. I've made a few little tiny changes here in there within the last few months, but I have stuck with a few things and I wanted to show you what they were. So we are going to start with what I'm currently using for the month of March. I am back in a personal size Filofax. I will give you a very quick glimpse in what it looks like on the inside. If you guys are interested in a more in-depth view of the inside of the planner, please like the video down below. And then of course I have this really nice good looking guy or lady here. This is a Moterm A5 with 30mm rings, and this is my main planner that holds everything. This one here is my work planner, and I think that it fit perfectly for what it is. I love my Filofax. When I first started using it, it was as chunky as I could get it. Thanks to the strap, it goes relatively a long way. But I needed something more easily functional that I was attracted to plan my work and kind of separate it from everything else. So let's go ahead and do a very quick view here of what this kind of just a very quickly overview of what it looks like. Very functional. Let's make sure you guys are in frame. Very functional. As you guys know, there's a zipper. I have some page flags. I printed this from Pinterest, and then I have my inbox, my monthly, then I have my weekly, my daily, I have my goals for the week, I have my list section. I hope I'm not going too fast. I have my projects section. I have my finances, which I don't actually have an insert for my finances because my finances get tracked on the A5, but I do like to keep tracks of anything that I have added into my my business and work that I have to add as an expense. So I do note it. And then I have a miscellaneous section that I have note pages in it. I have a top loading pocket with stickers in it, and just a business card holder that has pictures of my kids with a page lifter in the back. Nothing in the back, and that is what holds my work. If you guys, like I said, want a more in-depth, please like it down below or leave me a comment down below. And then this one is what holds everything else. Once again, this is going to be a very quick video. I am not going into a lot of depth into what's in it. So, I have a coupon card from Cloth and Paper, some sticky notes, business, those clear business cards, and a coupon. I have just coupons, no pages in the back that I want to keep. My first section has my task cards. I have my inbox. I have my monthly section. I have my weekly section. I have my schedule. Here in clear, I have my daily section. I have my project section. My home section holds my menu and my cleaning section. My tracker. Then this is my finance section. My finance section is the largest probably section in my planner. My notes section, and then these sections in the back are not very split very well yet because I am working on a better tab section. My homeschool section, and my personal section. And I have one more in here if I can, there it is. And then I have my business section. In the back, I have receipts and note pages. In the pocket, I have extra pages that I may need. And then I have this Sarasa pen from Cloth and Paper. I have the 0.5 and I have the 0.4. I love them both. And that is everything in my current planners. So I just wanted to share with you all the planners I was currently using. I am going to make a small change, and if you guys want to see the update on that, I will be posting a video on it as well. Thank you so much for being with me here today. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell to be reminded, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.